Kramer looks like this. He has a very nice wig. And I don't know, what's your guess? Is that a UFO? Every single picture I find online has that little white dot right there. I don't know, you go figure. But anyway, that's what he looks like. We'll leave him up there for some moral support. And like I said, Kramer's rule is used for solving a system of equations. Okay? Well, here's his rule. There we have it. We now know that x we figured out was 1, y is a -2, and z is 3. And there is the solution to our system of equations. I know I said watch the earlier video, but I can't help myself. I have to show you. All right, so just as a friendly reminder, we just figured out these x, y, and z's, okay? But by hand, the way we did it in class, there. Now, in order to enclose a region, for example, that red line, right, that red dashed region right there, you need a minimum of 3 lines. If you only have 2 lines, you can't enclose a region. Just think about it. So 3 or more, you can have a possibly enclosed region. Just keep that in mind. Also, you can have regions. I mean, if we're just talking about 2, how about this? Cool. All right, so there, we got this region inside here, right? And what do we call this region? That other point, 9, 2. Well, what are we going to do with these? To find the values, we are going to evaluate the vertices and plug it into our f of x, y function. Now, for homework, you're just going to be given this f of x, y function. You don't have to figure out what it is at this point. Just practice how you do this. Plug these x, y points in. Wherever there's an x, plug these numbers in. Wherever there's a y, plug these numbers in. And you're going to get an f of x, y value. Or, I'm sorry, a minimum value. And what's the biggest number you see? 14? Me too. That's our max. Ta-da! That's how you find the min and max. Alright, don't forget that any part of that little lesson there that was unclear, help yourself. Go rewind it. It's pretty easy to do. Be ready to come into class, and we are going to work on, what do we got here? We're going to work on day 13. Okay? So we are going to do these problems tomorrow. Let me know if you had any questions or comments about the lesson tomorrow. See you then.